Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about making strategic plans.
So it is very important in business that you strategize what it is that you are doing. If you're flailing about trying to do anything and everything just to make a buck or a dime, you're going to fail.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you do have to have a direction, I kind of get a little scatterbrained sometimes just because I'm also a hobby hopper. And so when I'm not putting my energy and effort into sustaining a course for a long length of time, I don't get very good at that hobby. So the same is true with business. If you say, oh, opening an online store, that sounds great, let's get that going. And then you post like 2 items and then you're like, oh, well, let's go do craft shows, and you don't put any further effort into growing an online store, you can't expect it to flourish without that extra time and attention.
Yeah, and going back to the hobby hopping, you can hobby hop in business. I mean, you can so hobby hop in business. You just illustrated that perfectly. But you can hobby hop between items. You throw out one item, you give it a day and a half online, and just because it didn't sell for like gangbusters, you take it down and you're miffed and you walk off, right? You have got to have a strategy. You have got to have a game plan. You have got to know where you want to be in order so you can guide your ship, right?
Yes.
You've got to know where north is, right? If you're going to use the compass.
Yep.
And if you're going to use a map and a compass, right? You got to find where that north is for you in your life. And, that can be a lot of different things for a lot of different folks. This is a very vague statement here. But when you need to take and find out what it is that you need to do. So say start with the simplest thing. You like to blacksmith. Okay, you got that nailed down. Now, what is your business plan for the next 3 months? Start there. Once you get that figured out, you need to take and adjust that plan every 3 months of what you did good, what you did bad, and readjust that for the following 3 months. Once you get good at doing that, then you can adjust those timelines out to 6 months, and then year, and then 5-year plans, and then 10-year plans. And that should really greatly help you.
Yeah, definitely. Like you highlighted as it's a cycle of evaluation as well.
Yep, it's a constant cycle evaluation of where you've been, what you did well, what you didn't do good, and then move on. So my suggestion to you is start laying down a strategy, a little flow chart, and don't be afraid to change it if life things happen. That's okay, because that means your strategy needs to change just that little bit. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And as we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.